Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Hypnotic marketing copywriter, how to use Jasper AI. So all you need to do is open the Jasper AI and try to sign up first and log in with your email. It's very possible. And after that, you can profiling your company, profiling your background. And so after you follow the step, you are directly jump into this page. Welcome, what you want to create. You can specify a writing, for example, a tour or package here. So my background is travel agency, like Facebook ads. You can create. So this is for example for Facebook ads. Here you can select a voice, a language, Facebook ad promoting seasonal travel, or you can use this English American. What the destination of travel deal, for example, quick pick tropical paradise in Bali. What specific specific of the deal I'm serving. Next, call to action. What action do you want the audience to take after seeing the ad? This one, like plan your trip today, and you can add information, unique selling points, a travel deal, a cheap but view cheap but luxury. Next, and you can generate now. So this is the result. Serving gateway, Facebook ad copy here. You can edit this the text. This is a primary text. Dreaming of tropical escape, discover the ultimate surfing paradise in Bali with seasonal travel deal. The headline, cheap but luxurious Bali surfing getaway. Description, call to action, explore Bali ways, plan your trip today. So please free to try elevate or upgrade your copywriter of your company, of your marketing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.